I have only 48 hours to build a dropshipping store, advertise it, and hopefully make some money. It's only 1 PM right now, so I have until 1 PM in 2 days to become an absolute dropshipping goat. Now, if you're familiar with how dropshipping works nowadays, all you really need is a good product that everybody loves and that can go viral. You can take advantage of people just mindlessly scrolling through their TikTok For You page, and whenever they scroll, they will see your product, go on your store, and you will make money. So our first step will be to find a banger product. So let's start searching. For finding my product, I scrolled through multiple paid tools and also my TikTok For You page, and I came across a lot of good products, but one product that really stood out to me was this knee massager thing. I have never seen anybody run this product. Now, this could be a really good thing or a bad thing, but we will see. Now, the reason I'm really confident in this product is that I can easily sell this for more than $100, and I found it on AliExpress, and this exact same product costs only $30. And that leaves us with a really good profit margin. By the way, if you want to get access to a whole list with really good products, you should probably join my Discord, because I have a complete list in there that gets updated every month. Now that I had the product, it was time to build a store. Now, for me to sell this knee massager thing for $100 plus, the store has to be seamless. And it really can't look like one of these scamming stores. So that's why I decided to not build the store myself this time. Even though I'm pretty good at building stores, the people from startstores.com are way better than me. I mean, if you just look at some stores they've built in the past, they're really high quality. And you can also see that a lot of stores that came from them have generated a lot of money. And this better be my store this challenge. Since I'm only running one product, I chose this one product store option. And if you want to get a store from Start Stores too, there will be a link in the description below. And if you use code Carl10, you will get 10% off your purchase. Once I received my store, I basically did some slight changes, such as, for example, the colors. I found this lavender purple to be really fitting, so I put it in there. And I also made the background slightly pink colored. And then the store already looked really good. Now after that, I just added my basic apps. So for example, an app for product reviews, so that I had some social credit on my website. And trust me guys, this boosts your conversion by a lot. This is how the store looked in the end, and I think this is definitely a store that could sell $120 knee massages. And turns out I'm not so wrong about this, but you will see that later. Then the next thing on my list was to get some ad creatives. And for that, I basically just went on TikTok and on some other websites and searched my product, and then downloaded the videos without a watermark with, for example, this tool called Snaptic, which basically just lets you download TikToks without a watermark. Now, of course, I could just take the ad creatives like that and then use them for my TikTok campaign. But trust me guys, this is illegal and you'll get sued if you just do that over and over again. So what you can always do is take them TikToks and put them in a project and edit them and put multiple videos into one video. And then you basically have your own creatives, and that is exactly what I did. And here you can see one of the creatives I edited. I would say it's pretty solid. So we were ready to run this product on TikTok ads. So I created a new campaign and then basically chose conversions on the first page and left everything else blank. Then on the next page, a really important thing I did was to turn off the comments, because trust me, you don't want to be one of those stores getting flamed in the comment section for dropshipping. There are a lot of haters, so just turn them off. I chose to target the UK, but I left everything else pretty broad. Now for the ads budget, I put it to $120 a day. Normally you want to do less than that for testing, but let's be honest guys, we were really trying to get some sales here. I know this was a really fast walkthrough, but there's a full guide to TikTok ads and different campaign types in the Discord below, so you might want to check that out. Then on the third page, I just uploaded my ad creatives and wrote some really nice call to actions. Then I added my website and made sure the people were redirected to my product page, because you don't want to redirect them to your homepage. And I published them after that. Shortly after, they were approved and they were set to start running the next morning. Now the next day while they were running, I was basically just doing my normal routine, and then I got one sale in the afternoon and another one late at night, totaling in $240 made. I was really scared before that second sale, because if we only would have gotten one sale, we would have been mad unprofitable. Now the next day was sadly not that good, because we only got one sale, and that means we lost $30 on that day. In total, we made around $60 in this challenge. Make sure to check out Start Stores with the code Carl10, and make sure to check out my Discord. Now subscribe for more videos, and you might want to check out this video, because I might have found a winning product in that video.